So we're here at CES 2026, and we knew that we were going to see some Chromebooks with the Companion 540 inside. So here's a second one. It's a larger Chromebook. It is the CM15. Has very similar specs to the other device that we saw here, which is the new CM32 detachable 12-inch tablet. So let's take a look real quick. As you can see, this is the CX15 from, I don't know, about the last year. So we're not changing a ton here. The materials are a little bit different. ASUS is kind of focusing on a handful of different textures. Know that you're going to be able to pick those up. It's very faint, but think about like a textured wall, kind of wallpaper, and then kind of this carbon fibery look across their Chromebook line. But this one has a little bit of that texture to it. Just kind of grippy. But this one has the Companion 540 inside, much like that tablet we talked about in our other video from ASUS's booth. It's an anti-glare screen. It looks pretty bright, probably 300 nits if I had to guess, but it's anti-glare. Looks nice and sharp. The colors are pretty decent. This is going to be an entry-level type Chromebook for sure, but with that Companion inside, we're talking lots of battery life. They didn't give us a lot of information on exactly what RAM and memory and storage configurations we're going to have on this thing, so we'll have to wait and see. There's no availability, no pricing yet set for it, but this is a pretty interesting device, honestly, from ASUS. I think it's going to be great for schools, great for educators, great for stuff like that. Entry-level model for sure, but a decent looking device.